Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check using a Woodforest ATM. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created a document here, a step-by-step guide. So what you want to do is locate a Woodforest ATM nearby, and then you can use the ATM locator on the Woodforest website or mobile app to see where the nearest ones are to you. And then from there, insert your debit card. So insert your Woodforest debit card into the ATM and then enter your PIN to access your account. And then on the ATM screen, choose the deposit option and then select the account where you want to deposit the check. For example, your checking or savings account. And then endorse the back of the check by signing it. Ensure the check is filled out correctly and legibly. Follow the prompts on the ATM screen to insert the check. Some ATMs may require you to insert the check into a designated slot, while others may have you place it in an envelope provided by the machine. And then from there, the ATM may display an image of the check and ask you to confirm the deposit amount, verify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the ATM will process the check deposit. You may be given the option to print a receipt for your records. And then once the deposit is complete, finish any other transactions you need to perform. And then take your debit card and any printed receipts before leaving the ATM. And I've got some tips here. So make sure to keep your receipt. So always take and keep the receipt for your records until you see the deposit reflected in your account. Just do this because if there's any issues, you've got a receipt for it. And then check availability. So be aware of the bank's funds availability process, as the check may take some time to clear and be available in your account. That could take up to a few days. And the ATM functionality. So ensure the ATM you're using accepts check deposits, as not all ATMs may offer this feature. And if you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact Woodforest Bank customer service for assistance.